If you want to create a group on your Facebook account, I'll show you how to create one. First, go to your phone's home screen. Then, open the Facebook app. Then tap the three-dot menu at the top and go to the Groups option. Here you can tap the Create button or the plus icon. Then tap Create a Group. Next, enter the name you want to give your group. After that, select your privacy setting. I'll select Public, but you can also choose Private. Once you've selected your privacy setting, tap Done. Then tap Create. After that, dismiss this page and tap Confirm. Then tap Edit to add any background image you want, and tap Next. Now you can enter some information about your group. Once you're done, tap Next. Then tap Done. Your Facebook group will now be created. That's how you can create a group on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.